Hey guys, so for your activity today, we need to know how do we create slope-intercept equations through 2 points. So we're going to look at 3 different examples and see if that helps. So the first one is we want an equation that passes through the heart and A. Heart and A. So we're looking here and we're looking right at the middle there and right through A, right? So slope-intercept form, remember, is y equals mx plus b. So we need the slope and we need the y-intercept. Okay, so slope, remember, I go how far? It's rise over run. And always simplify, right? So I'm seeing, okay, I have here, so I'm going down here, and then I'm going over to that point. All right, so let's see here. I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4. So for our first one, this one is -4 divided by 4 is our slope, which reduces to -1. Okay, so I already know that it's going to be y equals -1x. And now I just have to find out, okay, what's the slope-intercept? Okay, so I can do this if I just continue. Since I know it's -1, I don't have to keep going by the 4s. I can actually use the simplified, go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Right here is where I'm going to cross that y-axis, which is at 0, +1. So my y-intercept is going to be +1. And there's my equation. You could write it again as y equals -x plus 1. Those tell you the exact same thing. Okay, so that's what you're doing here. I'm just going to erase my screen just so it doesn't get crazy looking. Okay, so now we're going to look at the next one. If I can get a marker back, that'd be cool. All right, so we want an equation that passes now through the star and the letter B. So star is right here, and we need to go through B. Well, cool. B is already on my y-axis, so I should know that my y-intercept is going to be at -2. Awesome. Okay, so I know it's going to be y equals something -2. Now I just have to figure out, well, what's that something, right? Okay, so I'm going to go all the way up, and then I go all the way over to that. So we have to figure out what that is. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 7, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Did I count that right? We go from here 1, 2, right? Yep. So 7 over 4. So we're going to have 7. Rise is 7, run is 4. So 7/4 x minus 2. Okay? All right, that's it, guys. Let's try one more together, and then pretending I'm erasing, but I'm not. All right, let's try one more together, and then you got this. Okay, so the last one is through the diamond and C. So diamond right in the middle is right here, and then my C right there. Okay, so we're looking, what is our slope? So rise over run. So I go rise, I went up 2, and then over, I went 1, 2, 3, 4 over. So my slope is 2 over 4, which is the same as 1/2, right? Remember that it's always rise, vertical movement, and then your run is your denominator. Okay, so I know that this is y equals 1/2 x, okay? But then I need to know, well, what's my y-intercept? Okay, so if I were to do that, I go up 1 over 2, right? I want to use my simplified one. Up 1 over 2 puts me right here. That would be a point that I'm crossing through when I draw this line. This intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, -5. So I'm actually going to subtract 5, and that is how you're going to create slope-intercept equations going through 2 points.